It's sweet potato time. This is Maddie's first food. Oh, that's a daddy-sized bite.
Right.
Oh, no hands.
Oh.
It's gonna get messy.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get messy quick.
What do you think? I wish you opened your mouth. That's a good sign, right? Should you reach for it?
You gotta be in your A game.
Ooh, yummy, yummy. Look at that face.
Do you like it? Does it taste good? It tastes good? Huh?
Oops. My video skills leave something to be desired.
Tastes good, babes? Huh?